Okay guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make the best tension wrench. The last tension wrench you'll ever need to know how to make. So what I do, and everybody else in the world, is you get these inserts from the windshield wipers. You'll probably say, "Ah, man, everyone talks about those inserts from the windshield wipers." Because they're freaking rock. And what I do is I get a decent lock. And I just kind of put it in there. All the way. Then you just bend it over. It's a really springy material. It's not going to snap. Just kind of bend it over like that. And then you have your shape. And you usually probably want it about like this. So, get your nippers. And it's a little tough. It's good stuff. And nip it off. Wow. Okay, these nippers suck. Alright. There you have all the tension wrench you'll ever need. I covered this one with black fingernail polish. Now it matches my picks. So there you go. Enjoy. It's great.